You have meditated, journaled, healed, manifested, and still something feels unfinished. No matter how much you fix on the outside, the mind keeps looping through regret, comparison, pressure. What if the real breakthrough doesn't come from adding more effort, but from subtracting the illusion you carry? What if Krishna, in the heart of war, whispered the one inside that ends this conflict forever? Not motivation, not comfort, but truth. You are not the doer. And with that, Vedanta begins. Not in scriptures, but in silence, inside the one who sees. Arjun collapses not because he is weak, but because his identities collapse. Warrior, disciple, nephew, leader, all these roles dissolve when he sees the face of those he must fight. But Krishna doesn't give him emotional reassurance. He gives him a mirror. You are not this body. You are not your thoughts. You are that which is aware of both. That awareness, Atman, is never born, never dies. It does not act, it simply illuminates. And when this recognition lands, karma doesn't stop, but the weight of it disappears. Arjun still lifts his bow, but now there is no fear, no ego, no confusion. Because the self does not act, it only shines. This is not escapism. This is the highest realism. We are all fighting some battle, status, survival, self-worth. And yet, the battlefield outside is really the real problem. The real war is the identification. I am this role, I am this pain, I am this result. But that's the illusion Vedanta shatters. When Krishna says, slay your doubts with the sword of knowledge, he is not pointing at the enemy. He is pointing at ignorance within, the ignorance of who we truly are. Today's Kurukshetra may look like deadlines, heartbreak, overwhelm, or ambition. You wear roles: daughter, friend, creator, healer. But behind all of that, who is watching? What doesn't change when moods shift, roles rotate, dreams rise and fall? That silent, constant witness is you. And when you remember that, pain still arises, but it doesn't stick. Effort continues, but the pressure drops. You no longer move to prove, you move to presence. Krishna didn't teach Arjun how to win. He taught him how to see. Act with full intensity, fulfill your duty, but remember, you are not the doer. You are the field in which all action happens. And when that knowledge settles, arrows still fly, life still moves, but the fear is gone because the doer has disappeared. This is Vedanta. Not renunciation, not motivation, but realization. You are not here to become more. You are here to remember. You already are the self, unchanging, undisturbed, infinite.